Icy spots along. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Ulster County in east-central New York, northern Dutchess County in east-central New York, Columbia County in east-central New York, southeastern Greene County in east-central New York, southwestern Rensselaer County in east-central New York, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from the Lebanon to the bridge, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include whiteout conditions, zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow, wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 near Exit 10, Interstate 87 between Exits 19 and 21. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Kingston, Great Barrington, Hudson, Catskill, Saugerties, Rennebeck, Chatham, Nassau, Hurley, Claybeck, Lee, Woodstock, Lenox, Ammonia, Livingston, Copiague, Sheffield, Stephentown and Coxsackie. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.